The Battle of Mactan is a pivotal moment in Philippine history, a tale of resistance, heroism, and the clash of cultures. It unfolded on April 27, 1521, when the Spanish explorer Ferdinand Magellan, in his quest to circumnavigate the globe, arrived in the Philippines. Magellan, under the Spanish flag, sought to establish dominance in these newfound lands. As Magellan and his men anchored near Mactan Island, they encountered an array of indigenous tribes. Among them was Chieftain Lapu Lapu, a local warrior leader, who was determined to defend his people and their way of life. Tensions between the Spanish expedition and the locals grew, leading to a fateful confrontation. On the morning of April 27, Magellan and about 60 of his men, equipped with muskets, swords, and armor, set out to subdue Lapu Lapu and his warriors, who were armed with traditional weapons like bamboo spears and wooden shields. Magellan believed that their superior European technology would secure an easy victory. However, they severely underestimated the determination and knowledge of the land held by Lapu Lapu and his warriors. The battle that ensued was fierce and brutal. Lapu Lapu's forces fought valiantly to protect their homeland, using guerrilla tactics and their knowledge of the terrain to their advantage. Magellan and his men found themselves outnumbered and outmaneuvered. During the chaos of the battle, Magellan was struck by a bamboo spear and fatally wounded. His death sent shockwaves through the Spanish ranks, and without their leader, they began to retreat. It was a crushing defeat for the Spanish expedition, a stark reminder of the resilience and fighting spirit of the Filipino people. The Battle of Mactan had far-reaching consequences. While it marked a setback for Spanish colonial ambitions in the Philippines, it also planted the seeds of a different kind of colonization, one that was characterized by centuries of Spanish influence in the archipelago, leading to a unique blend of Filipino and Spanish culture. Today, Lapu Lapu is celebrated as a national hero in the Philippines, a symbol of Filipino resistance against foreign invaders. The city of Lapu Lapu, named in his honor, stands as a testament to his legacy. The Battle of Mactan serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving one's culture and heritage in the face of external pressures. It remains a defining moment in Philippine history, illustrating the enduring spirit of the Filipino people in the face of adversity and foreign influence.